Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I'm going to show you how to increase volume over max limit on iPhone 16e. Let's begin. All you want to do is simply go to settings. Here you want to scroll down a little and go to sounds and haptics. And if you scroll all the way down, you will see a volume limit option. And you want to make sure that it is not enabled, because when it's enabled you will basically have a limit of your volume. So yeah, you can basically customize it if you want to, but if you want to have the highest volume possible, I would advise you to just turn off this option. And if you're using headphones, you can head to headphones safety, and here, as you can see, there is an option to reduce loud audio and automatically headphone notifications, which basically the iPhone will send you a notification that, hey, you're using your headphones a lot, we're going to tune the volume down, no thanks you. And yeah, that's basically the whole video. If you found it useful, also, remember to disable that. I forgot. But if you have it enabled, then the iPhone will automatically reduce any loud audio. And that's all for this video. If you found it helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.